Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Audient ID4. First, you'll need to install the necessary software. Head over to the Audient website and download the latest ID drivers for your computer's operating system. For Windows users, this step is crucial before connecting your ID4. Mac users will find the ID app useful for managing firmware and accessing additional features. Simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to get everything installed correctly. Next, let's connect your Audient ID4 to your computer. Use the supplied USB-C cable and plug it into an available USB port. The ID4 is bus-powered, meaning it draws all its power directly from this USB connection. Once connected, check that the white USB LED on the unit illuminates. This confirms it's receiving power and is properly connected. For optimal performance, it's best to connect directly to your computer and avoid unpowered USB hubs. Now that your ID4 is connected, it's time to configure your computer's audio settings. Navigate to your system's sound preferences or control panel. Here, you'll want to select Audient ID4 as your default input and output device. This ensures all system audio routes through your interface. Additionally, open your Digital Audio Workstation, or DAW, and confirm that the ID4 is chosen as the primary audio interface within its audio settings or device setup menu. Finally, let's get your audio outputs set up for monitoring. Connect your headphones to either of the two headphone outputs on the front of the ID4. For studio monitors, use the main speaker outputs on the rear. The large main volume knob controls the overall output level for both your headphones and speakers. You can also use the monitor mix knob to blend between your direct, low-latency input signal and the audio coming back from your computer, giving you precise control over your listening experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.